Hello guys, good morning. This is Ashley and welcome back to my another video. So for today's video is mag-get ready with me. Pak! Get ready with me. Ang arte niyan, so may lunch date ako with friends, co-workers, So malilate na ako nung oras na 11 or 12 ang usapan namin. Without further ado, let's do it. Etude na toner. Yan. I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I just do whatever is suitable or comfortable steps that I am doing. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo doon. Pat-pat dry. So, step is, ayan. Scientific na niacinamide. I hope my camera is participating or cooperating with this filming kasi first time ko mag-try ng back camera. I'm not used yung back camera ang ginagamit ko pero kasi this time gusto kong i-try yung back camera ang gamit ko pag mga ganito. So, hindi ko makita kung anong nagaganap sa filming na to. Teka lang, double check natin. Ayan, tapos na tayo sa cream. So, let's move on sa aking foundation. Liquid foundation. So, maglalagay lang ako ng enough size kasi for me, masyadong makover to. Yan. Yan. Focusing here. Again, don't bash me. Pero okay lang. Bash nyo ako. Okay lang. Okay lang, i-bash nyo ako. I don't mind. Hindi ako marunong mag-makeup. Makeup blender. Medyo wet-wet na Binasa-basa ko tong blender na to. Makeup blender. Yan. Yan. Ayoko na masyadong real coverage or full coverage. Yun nga. Ayoko. Tapos yung sakto lang. Just to cover my blemishes, my pimples. Kasi right now, ang dry ng mukha ko and then may mga of course, hindi naman perfect ang skin natin. May mga blemishes pa rin yung dark spot.